Specification. The Backlight Color TFT LCD monitor with low power consumption and have two ways to install, standing or mounting. It is convenient to carry. Parking rear view priority. The monitor will start up automatically, and synchronously display the video from rearview camera when you're backing your car. The monitor will close itself after backing. Scenes will cut to rearview camera automatically while you're backing the car and change back to the original scene after that. Screen size, 7-inch. Low power consumption. Display component, Color TFT LCD. Number of dots, 800W *RGB *480H. Contrast ratio, 400:1. Response time, B to W 30 milliseconds, W to B 10 milliseconds. Video frequency, PAL, NTSC. Power, DC 12 volts, 24 volts. Consumption, 6W. Video, two-way video input, one female and one male. Housing, ABS. Color, black. External dimensions, 174 x 113 by 19 mm, LXWXD. Product weight, 379 grams. Package dimensions, 212 x 155 by 93 mm. Package weight, 415 grams. Top reviews from the United States. Works great monitor. Monitor comes on fast, love the idea, that I can use with a front cam too. I have a long truck and have to pull all the way up to other vehicles in parking lots, so I am not sticking out in travel line.